What is going on YouTube? TradeModeJames here, Zone Trading Group. Today in this video, we're going to talk about the close today and also talk about the SEC filing that just came out with Microvision. All of the BODs were vested about 30,000 shares each. Everything is prepped for launch, guys. All right, so make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button, and let's get right into this. All right, so we closed at 381 today, broke out of this wedge pattern. All right, came down to my zone that I had drawn in yesterday and the day before, I think. We came right down. I said we were going to come down to 375. We came down to 376. That's pretty damn close, all right? And the fact that we came down here and held above and kind of consolidated for the better half of the day shows some strength here, okay? And I think that we could either do one of two things going into next week. Number one, we break out and we come back up and test we come back up and test that $4 range, or number two, we break 375 and come down and test this 50 SMA and this trend line around 360-ish, all right? Those are the two things we obviously need confirmation. So if we break 375, understand that we're probably coming down to about 360, maybe a little more, a little less, I mean. If we break to the top side above 383, we're probably, or 380, I would say 385. 385, we're probably going to come up and test that $4 range again. And that's probably going to happen on Monday or Tuesday. So that's what the price action is. If we go to we go to the Mavis Reddit, you guys are going to see that we actually have the Form 4 Statement of Changes in Beneficial Ownership of Securities filed today, all right? And that basically what happened was, I haven't dug too deep into this, but basically the BODs were all awarded those RSU shares, 29,968. We got Brian Turner, we got Jeff Herbst, we got Paul Carlisle, sorry, Judy Curran, Mark Spitzer, I'm sorry, and all the BODs got the same amount of shares, it looks like. So the rocket's prepped, guys. It's ready for launch, and I think we just have to hodl through the BS. Everything's looking very, very, very bullish now that we found that bottom at 261, which is obvious. I don't ever see us going below that. There's a potential that we come back down and test it again, I guess, if we break these SMAs. But if you look at the higher time frame, you will see that it doesn't look likely. It just really doesn't, all right? We're going to be back up here testing this 472 to 490 range. If we break that, we're coming up here to $6. And I think that's going to happen in the next couple of weeks. I really do. June is going to be a great month for us. July is going to be a great month. It's going to be a great rest of the year, I think, for Microvision, especially if you have an average under $5, you're going to be very happy. So that's really all I have for you today, guys. Just wanted to drop that, that filing that we got, the news that we got about the filing, go over the price action real quick, the close, what I think is going to happen next week. And you guys got all three of those things. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about this. I need to dig a little deeper into the filing, but that's essentially what it is. They were vested 30,000 shares, all right, each, every single BOD. And yeah, they're going to make a lot of money with that. And I think those incentive targets are going to get hit it's going to be substantially more than $36, which is the top range of their incentive plan. So, and they're going to make a lot of money, you guys, and so are we. So yeah, drop what you think about this in the comments, and I will see you guys on the next video or the live stream on Monday. Peace and love from my end. TradeModeJames signing out. Later, guys.